Not all the ROM that the mobile phone manufacturers provided are perfect, and that is why installing a custom ROM or rooting your device is still welcomed by the users, and this is the only reason that installing a custom ROM and rooting your device still exists. But an average consumer often mix things between installing a custom ROM and rooting your device. And so in this video I'm going to be telling you the differences between installing a custom ROM and rooting your device. So let's find out. Hey guys, this is Mr.Gadget Freak. Welcome back to a new video, and it's so good to see all your smiling faces. And in this video I'm going to be talking about the differences between installing a custom ROM and rooting your device. See, installing a custom ROM is no harm, but rooting your device is kinda risky. You might break your phone in this process. So what does rooting means? Rooting means you have all the insider privileges of your phone, like you can set your CPU frequency, GPU frequency, RAM usage, ZRAM, use different kind of screen values, or use different type of mods using Magic Manager, etc. But by using a custom ROM you don't have this kind of privileges. Using custom ROM means you are not using the mobile phone manufacturer provided ROM. Like if I am using recent Samsung devices, that means by default I am having the Samsung's One UI ROM. But if I change that and I start using MIUI or EMUI or Oxygen OS in my Samsung devices, that means I am using a custom ROM. And we do these things because sometimes we don't like the manufacturer's ROM. See, like I am using Mi A1, which is a Xiaomi's phone, but it is being prosecuted by the Google's Android One program. So that means I am having a stock Google ROM, which doesn't have the extra features like the MIUI have, or the EMUI have, or the Oxygen OS have. Like I don't have a long screenshot option here, I do not have any screen recorder, any voice recorder, I cannot set my screen values, or I am not getting a saturated display, etc. There are so many drawbacks using a stock ROM. Even I don't have a game mode, a dedicated game mode in my stock ROM. So you can see there are so many drawbacks to using a stock ROM. That is why I am using a custom ROM. I just want to show you one thing, that this is my Xiaomi Mi A1, and right now I am using the custom ROM Evolution X. Let me show you a thing. I'm going to the setting right now, and I'm going to system. I'm going to about my phone Mi A1, and this has the Android version 10. You can see that it says Evolution X, right? That means I am not using the stock ROM, I am using the custom ROM. But now I am going to the root checker. Let's see if I have rooted my phone. See, it says sorry, your phone doesn't have the root access. And now I am going to root my phone in front of you. Let's find out how this thing goes on. See, this is my phone. I'm going to recovery mode right now. As you can see, advanced, and there is the recovery option at the top, and I'm going to the recovery. See, my phone is booting to recovery mode, and I'm gonna install Magic Manager, and by installing Magic Manager I will root my phone. See, I have successfully booted to TWRP mode, and now I am going to install here. As you can see, install, and I'm going to download, and then I'm just going to flash the Magisk to 20.4 zip file in the TWRP mode, and see, and swipe to confirm flash. Boom. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Mostly it takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete this process. Yes, it says the zip flashing successful, and now I'm just going to click right there that the reboot to system, and it's booting. See, I do not have the stock ROM, it's booting. You can see the E of Evolution X, and I have successfully booted on my system. And let's see if the Magisk Manager has been installed, and I can, yes, see, here's the Magisk Manager, you can see right there, and I'm going to click right there, and here you go. I have completely installed Magisk Manager in my phone, and see here it wants the kernel auditor there, where I can set the CPU frequency and GPU frequency. It's asking for root permission. I'm going to root checker again, and I'm gonna verify my root. You see, I am in root checker right now, and I'm just gonna verify root. Yes, I'm gonna grant the root permissions. See, now it's saying that you have successfully booted or rooted your device. See, I have rooted my device by installing or by flashing the Magisk Manager zip file, and still I can unroot it by unflashing the Magisk Manager zip file. There are some people who argues with the fact that installing a custom ROM and having root on device are the same thing, but it's not like that. So please do not make any more argues that you should not install a custom ROM because it will root your phone. I think the concept is very clear to you guys that installing a custom ROM and having root on your device is completely different, and please do not make any more argues regarding the fact. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.